Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin 265 Forerunner. To begin, power on your device by holding the top right button for a few seconds until the screen illuminates. Next, pair your watch with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone to complete the initial setup process. This allows you to customize your watch face and data fields, ensuring your preferred metrics like heart rate or pace are always visible at a glance, making your experience truly personal from the start. Once set up, tracking your activities is straightforward. From the main screen, press the top right button to access the activity menu and select your desired sport, such as run or bike. Before starting, wait for the GPS signal to acquire, indicated by a green ring around the screen, ensuring accurate distance and pace data. Press the top right button again to start and stop your activity, and the bottom right button to mark laps or segments during your workout. After your workout, delve into your performance data. You can review detailed activity summaries directly on your watch or through the Garmin Connect app, which offers a more comprehensive view. Monitor key metrics like your heart rate zones, average pace, total distance covered, and training load to understand your progress. The Forerunner 265 also provides advanced features such as daily suggested workouts and recovery time recommendations, helping you optimize your training schedule effectively. To maximize your Forerunner 265's lifespan and performance, regular maintenance is key. Charge your watch consistently, typically every 5 to 7 days, depending on your activity level and GPS usage. Always keep your device's software updated through the Garmin Connect app to access the latest features and improvements. Finally, clean your watch and strap with a damp cloth after intense workouts to maintain hygiene and prevent skin irritation, ensuring comfort and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.